In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to open any website in desktop mode automatically in your Android device. So normally when you go to Google Chrome on your Android phone or Android tablet, what happens is that when you type in the website URL, it automatically takes you to the mobile phone site or the mobile site. Now, if you do not want to see that, this is exactly what you need to do. The first thing is open the Chrome browser and then click on the menu icon to the top right or the three dots. Click on settings. Then you get directed to this page for settings. You scroll down a bit and under advanced, click on site settings. Here, scroll down a bit more and under desktop site, select that. Click on request desktop view. Now, whenever you are opening any website on your Chrome browser, it is automatically going to go ahead and open up in desktop version for that specific website. If you have any further questions, I'm all yours. Do send me an email or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. If you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.